The next concept is activation record. So last video we discussed about the activation tree. Activation record, you know when the activation record is get activated, when the procedure is calling or the method is calling in a given function, that particular variable will be pushed onto the stack. When you pushed onto the stack, that activation record will be the top of the stack. The activation record is a sequence of the procedure calls and the return value which is managed by the runtime stack. So in the components of the activation record, we have 7 components. The first one is the actual parameter, returned value, control or the dynamic, axis or the static, saved machine status, local data or temporary data. When come to the actual parameter, you know very well about the actual parameter and the formal parameter. When come to the actual parameter, it holds the actual parameter of the calling function. If you consider for the function p and the p1, this one is the calling function and this one is the calling function. Okay. So the actual parameter, it holds the actual parameter of the calling function. When come to the return value, to store the result of the function call. The return value, what it will do, if you want to return the p1 value, it will store the result of the function call. This function call. Controlling, it points to the activation record of the calling function. Activation record of the calling function, control link. What it means, the control link, it points to the activation record of the calling function means, say for example, P1 is having some activation record, P and P1 is having some activation record. This control link will be activated for this calling function. Axis link, it refers to the local data of the called function but found in the another activation record. Saved machine status, store the address of the next instruction to be executed. You know that very well. When you want to execute any of the instruction, automatically the next instruction will be executed. That instruction address will be stored automatically. When come to the local variable, these variable are local to a function. Means you know what is local variable and what is global variable. When come to the temporary variable, this temporary variable needed during the expression evaluation. Say for example, I have an expression a plus b. This particular expression I wanted to store it in the T1. But this T1 is not going to activate it in throughout the program. This T1 we are calling it as temporary variable. Here I am taking an example, same the quicksort. So initially main function, in the main function I declared the array and I am going to activate it RC. Initially main will be there and after that I called or in the R we have a variable I. So I am calling 1,9 and pushed onto the stack. So 1,9, this partition of 1,9 will be partitioned to 1,3. This 1,3 is partitioned to 1,0. So it is returning value to the 1,3 and 1,3 is returning value to the 1,9. This is what the activation record. So you can expect this question as a 10 marks question. Explain the stack allocation of storage organization or explain the activation record or activation tree with an example. You can expect this question as a 10 marks question.